Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello, hello. This is Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below to subscribe to my channel. That way you receive all the information on what you need to do to grow your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And I am going to talk about one of my favorite subjects, which is your mindset. I still say that that is the number one thing that holds so many individuals back when it actually comes down to growing their cleaning business to six figures and beyond. You've got to get the mindset right. You've got to understand what is holding you back. Do you not see it for yourself? Is it about not feeling like you're worthy? But the number one thing you need to do is to figure out what exactly is holding you back. Is it distractions? Are you distracted because there's something going on in your life? Now, I always say there's about 4 or 5 things you need to make sure that you have right in order to excel in business, especially a cleaning business, because normally, if you are growing your business the way I am instructing and recommending and teaching that you do, then you're not going to be doing it on your own. You're going to have employees. That means that includes another moving part there. Now, if you have employees, you have to make sure that you're consistent because they want to feel secure that they've got a job, they've got someone to come back to, they're not concerned. This is probably, if you're doing it the right way, their main source of income. So no one wants to feel like their employer is scattered. So going back to what I was speaking on is distractions. In order to know what is holding you back, you've got to figure out, really set some time apart. I would say set about 30 minutes. Might sound like a long time, but it goes quickly, and just sit and really think about it. Do a brain dump. Write down a lot of things that you think you're thinking about. What is it? Is it fear that you're going to fail? Is it fear that you're going to succeed? Is it because you feel like you're going to leave some people behind if you grow and if you scale your business? Is there going to be jealousy within your family? Do you not have a great support system? Is it financial? I want you to understand something. All of these are excuses, but they're not reasons, because there's someone before you that had the same situation, if not worse, that did exactly what you are trying to do, and that's grow their business to six figures. They did not allow distractions, not having the financial, not having anything slow them down. So I go back to saying, when you've decided, that means that there's no other choice, there's no other options. You have decided this is what I want to do. Now, as we go further into the year, we are getting closer to the end of the year. We look at how things are changing, how the economy is changing. There's so much uncertainty. I can't emphasize enough. One of the things that you can really be certain about is when you are in control of your future. It's up to you. You can make or break it. So make a decision and then start writing down what you think it is that is holding you back. I have students that enroll and they are really afraid to take the next step. And so we take it together. And if you want to learn more about things that kind of change the way you think, then sign up for my masterclass, because I talk about having the mindset that goes with an actual six-figure boss. You trying to be a six-figure boss, then make sure you sign up for my masterclass. It's actually 10 times how to get 10 times more cleaning customers in 30 days. That's the masterclass. And I go over what you need to do. And I am a proponent of customer attraction, customer acquisition, and customer retention. You must understand the cleaning customer's journey so that you know where you need to get on, so that you can get off of the roller coaster and really start to make money in this industry. And there's billions of dollars, billions with a B, to actually get started and make it a serious, serious business. I mean, seriously, where you have something to sell for millions of dollars. That's the goal. So if this sounds like something you're really interested in, you're serious, ready to get serious, then sign up for my 10 times more cleaning customers in 30 days. So if you're already making money, then you're going to 10 times that, 10x it, grow it, scale it. That's what I'm talking about. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, take that action, register, and until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.